Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video we will understanding primary key and foreign key in database and how they are used to ensure data integrity. What is primary key, foreign key and their purpose? A primary key is a column or a set of columns in a table that uniquely identifies each row or record in that table. It is called primary because it is the main key that is used to access and manipulate data in the table. In this example, the department ID is the primary key because it uniquely identifies each department in the table. No two departments can have the same ID. Now let's talk about foreign keys. A foreign key is a column or a set of columns in a table that refers to the primary key of another table. It is called foreign because it originates from another table. Foreign keys are used to establish relationships between tables. In this example, the department ID column in the employee table is a foreign key because it refers to the primary key of the department table. This relationship allows us to retrieve data from both tables, such as a list of all employee by a particular department. Foreign keys also ensure data integrity by enforcing referential integrity. For example, if a department in the department table has link in the employee table, the department cannot be deleted from the department table until all related employee are deleted from the employee table. This prevents orphan data and maintains the consistency of the database. That's it for our video on primary keys and foreign keys. We hope this has helped you understand these concepts better. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.